From within an iDiscover record, there are several different ways of downloading a citation into Mendeley. The first would be to click on the Import to Mendeley icon in your address bar. Again, a little pop-up window appears and then click Save. Alternatively, you can go to RIS/endnote/0, which can then download an RIS file. You then save this file and then go into Mendeley. Gives you the option under File to import, and import an RIS file. It will be listed as Primo RIS Export. You can then click Open, and the article will download into your library. Alternatively, you could go to View the journal article itself. So here, if we click on ProQuest or EBSCO, we've got two choices. We'll click on ProQuest in the first instance. Now, sometimes from within this bibliographic information page, you can click on Import to Mendeley, but sometimes that doesn't work. As you can see here, we're only bringing through limited metadata. So alternatively, we can view the full text of the PDF, and normally that would help Mendeley recognise that this was indeed a journal article, and it would be able to download all the relevant information. So here, if we click on Save, this will download it, and we'll download the PDF as well into Mendeley. So we go back to Mendeley, just sync it again, and there is the article itself, and we can click on that. Normally this will bring through all the relevant information. If there are any problems with a particular article, it might be that there's typing issues in the title, so you can tidy that up, remove spaces, and also this yellow bar here enables you to search and to double check that all the information you've got is correct.